Hi guys, today in this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix your MacBook not opening apps. So if you install an app and if it does not open, then in this video, I'm going to help you how to solve your problem. So without much ado, let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you need to make sure of is how upgraded your MacBook is. Most of the time, these problems occur when the system is not upgraded or it's using a very old version of the iOS. So the thing that we need to do is we have to go here to settings. And when we are here, we have to go here to general and software update. Here, it will show you how much upgraded your MacBook is or your Mac computer is. Alright, so my MacBook needs a little bit of upgrade, but you can see it's beyond iOS 14, that is Sonoma. A minor upgrades does not matter that much, but if you are using a very old macOS such as Ventura or Big Sur, then obviously you need to upgrade it to the latest version, that is Sonoma. So the first thing that you need to do is this. It usually happens when there is a huge gap in the system software. So I hope you got the first point. The second thing that you need to do is you have to uninstall and then reinstall that application. For example, if there's an issue with my Google Chrome and if my Google Chrome is not working, then what I can do is I can uninstall Google Chrome and then I can reinstall it again. Because sometimes during the installation, there can be some glitches or some errors or some sort of bugs present. But if you uninstall it and then you reinstall it, then I'm pretty sure it's going to be perfectly fine. So that was the second thing that you needed to do. The third thing or the third solution, which I can tell you, is related to the storage. Sometimes your MacBook can be full of storage and thus it might not be, in a condition to execute that application. So what you need to do is you have to go here again to system settings and general, and then you have to go here to storage. So once when you're here, it will show you how much free space that you have and what are the things that are taking most of your space here. So you can check your storage from right here. If your MacBook is full of storage and it doesn't have any more free storage available, then you should delete some of your files that are not wanted and your application might start to work. So that was the other thing that you need to do. Now I will tell you of the next way how to sort it out. The next thing that you can do is you can go ahead to activity monitor. And once when you're here, you have to click here to memory. And then you can, remove those applications which you do not need and which are consuming an amount of memory, because sometimes the memory of the system can be full. That's why the application might not be working. So you have to remove those processes which are taking the most memory and which are not in use. So I can remove this from right here. So this is how you do it. This is how you can remove those unwanted applications that you have which are consuming the memory of your system. The final thing that you can do is you have to go here to terminal. This method is a bit technical, so you have to copy this command which I'm going to use here. Terminal is actually a command system where you have to put the command and you can run operations through computer commands. So I'm going to put a command right here and you have to learn it. You have to copy it and you have to use it in your own system so that the problem you are facing might be sorted out. So I'm going to put the command right here. So this is the command that you have to put and then you have to click enter. Then you have to enter the password of your laptop. Now it's taking a time to process and that's it. If your system is new, if you're using a new MacBook, it won't take much time. But if you're using a very outdated MacBook, this process can actually take between 1 minute to 30 minutes. So once when you get this username that you have, that means the process is finished and you can close it right here. So these were the ways through which you can sort out an application which is not working. You can fix the error. You can make the applications work again. I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you in the next video.